Hello kiddos, it's me Lily. Today we will draw and paint a lipstick, a watermelon ice cream and a pack of French fries. Do you like French fries? I love it. Do you eat watermelon in summer? Can you tell me what is the color of watermelon? Great! It's red. And what color is a lipstick? Color is a lipstick. Yes, it can be of any color. Which color do you like? I like red lipstick. Red color. Are you enjoying? I feel so happy. Green color. Brown color. Red color. yellow color. Delicious! I want to eat these. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like and subscribe button to receive more videos. Bye-bye!